Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing in with GitHub or a Microsoft account. This grants cloud workspaces and repository access. Once signed in, open a remote workspace or directly clone the repo you need, and make sure to allow browser-based editor permissions. Install minimal extensions first, remote, language support, and a formatter, so startup stays fast. These steps get you into an editable environment immediately, and they save time later when you need IntelliSense or quick linting. Once done, configure the workspace settings to match your workflow. Set editor, font size, enable format on save, and choose an auto-save cadence. Next, mount a dev container or connect to a remote environment if your project needs specific tooling. Enable port forwarding so web services are reachable. Add integrated terminals, create tasks, JSON for build steps, and configure debug launch profiles so you can run and inspect code easily. This detailed setup reduces friction during development and keeps environments reproducible. To finish, commit your changes and push to the remote. Confirm that continuous integration or deployment pipelines trigger as expected. Share the workspace or invite collaborators, granting only the permissions they need, so teamwork is seamless. If things go wrong, network lag, missing IntelliSense, or extension crashes, reload the window first, then disable recently added extensions to isolate the problem. If the issue persists, reconnect the remote environment or restart the dev container. That often restores consistent behavior quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.